In this film, we'll look at checking and maintaining the OB3000 medical suction unit. Proper maintenance and regular checks are essential to ensure optimal performance and reliability in critical situations. Let's start with the initial inspection of the OB3000 suction unit. Ensure the unit is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Inspect the unit's exterior for any signs of wear or damage. Check for cracks, dents, or any loose parts needing attention. Next, check the power source. If your unit is battery operated, ensure the battery is fully charged. Check the power cord and the plug for any damage for units that operate on AC power. Now turn on the unit by pressing the power button. Listen for any unusual noises that might indicate there's a problem with the motor or internal components. Adjust the suction level using the control knob. Test the suction power by placing one hand over the end of the suction tubing. Ensure that the suction levels adjust smoothly and that there is sufficient suctioning at the highest settings. Inspect the suction canister and tubing. Ensure that they're clean and free from cracks or blockages. Replace any disposable components such as the canister or tubing after each use to maintain hygiene and prevent cross-contamination. Cleaning and disinfection are crucial. After each use, disassemble the canister and tubing. Clean all removable parts with warm soapy water, rinse thoroughly and allow them to air dry. Disinfect the unit according to the manufacturer's guidelines to ensure all surfaces are sterile. Once all parts are dry, reassemble the unit carefully. Ensure all connections are secure and the unit is ready for use. Perform regular maintenance checks as part of your routine. This includes inspecting filters, ensuring all mechanical parts function correctly, and replacing worn-out components promptly. In summary, regular checks and proper maintenance of the OB3000 medical suction unit are vital for its reliable performance. By following these steps, you ensure the unit is always ready to provide critical support needed in emergencies.